Act 3, Scene 2. Yesterday we had done till I think line number 55, but we are going to what? Uh, Discuss the whole what? Dialogue of Portia once again. Okay? So here actually what is Portia saying? Portia, she tells Bassanio that her portrait is locked in one of the three caskets, isn't it? It is locked in one of the three caskets, and then she tells Nerissa, you can see here, she tells Nerissa and all others present there to stand aside. She tells the music to be played while Bassanio makes his choice, isn't it? Then now see here, line number 46. Okay, in line number 46 what happens? So she says that so that if, okay, Bassanio, he makes his choice, so that if he loses, he makes an end just like a what? Just like a swan. A swan which sings only once, that too before its death. So here it is very important to know that the Elizabethans, they believe that the swan sings only once, just before its death. Okay. Now line number 47, you will find here what happens. Fading in music that the comparison may stand more proper. My eyes, okay. So this portion here, what happens? She further says that, and the fading music, okay, it will accompany him. It will accompany his end, like the swan that sings while it is about to die. So Portia then she says, 49 you will find, Portia then she says, to make the comparison even more clear, that her tear-filled eyes will be the streamy what? It will be the stream. Okay. It will, her tear-filled eyes will be a stream, and his watery deathbed. So here you will find, he further says, he may win. And what is music then? So here she further says, how will the music be then when he wins? Then the music would be just like what? It would be just like the ceremonial funfair that plays when the true subjects means the honest subjects, they bow to their new crowned king. New crowned king. Now line number 53, to a new crowned king. After that you will find that the music is such that it is like the sweet morning, isn't it? It is like the sweet morning of what? It is like the sweet morning sounds that play in the ears of a dreaming bridegroom, isn't it? Calling him where? Calling him to his marriage, isn't it? Calling him to his marriage. Now he goes. So here, now he goes. So here, now who goes? Now Bassanio, he goes with a handsome appearance, isn't it? With no less presence, means he goes with a handsome appearance, and with what? And with much more love than who? Than young Hercules, young Alcides. Alcides, the other name of Alcides is Hercules. So here he says that he will go very what? Handsome in appearance, and with much more love than young Hercules. Hercules, when he had gone where? When he did redeem the virgin tribute paid by howling Troy to the sea monster. I stand for sacrifice. So here what happens? She says that he is going with much more love than young Hercules, isn't it? When he had gone where? When he had gone to rescue whom? The virgin. whom the howling Troy, means the wailing, the crying people of Troy, they had offered to whom? To the sea monster. Isn't it? So here in the notes also you will find here, it is given about Alcides, a very detailed, so this is important. Now what happens? I stand for sacrifice, this portion. I stand for sacrifice. The rest aloof are the Dardanian wives with blurred visages, come forth to view the issue of the exploit. So here Portia, she feels what? She feels herself to be in place of Hesione. Okay. Who is she? She is the unmarried daughter of the Trojan king who was being taken to be sacrificed. So that is why Portia says that she feels herself to be in place of her, of this virgin. And she compares herself with her and says that she is standing. Okay. She is standing for the sacrifice. Just like whom? Just like the virgin. And all others, okay, means all the other people who are present there. So here she says that all others are the Trojan women, and they are standing by with tear-stained faces, blurred visages. That means tear-stained faces. So here they have come. Why? They have come to witness the outcome of Hercules' feat. Now line number 63 you will find, live thou, I live, with much, much more dismay. With much, much more dismay. Then, I view the fight than thou that makest the fray. So here Portia further says that, she says to Bassanio, okay, she says to Bassanio, if you live, then I live, and I will watch the test with much more alarm, means with much more fear than you, who is actually going to fight. So here we know that Bassanio, he is what? Anxious to make the choice of the casket. That is why she says that, if you live, I live, and I will watch the test which with much more what? Fear than you, who is going to fight actually. And then comes the, so here Bassanio, he goes forward to make the choice of the casket, and there is this song which is being played. Tell me where is fancy bred, or in the hearts or in the head. So what does it mean? So here the song it tells, okay, says, tell me where is the what? Where is the passing affection? Okay, where is the passing affection developed? In the heart. Second line, in the heart or in the head. See the third line, it says, how begot have nourished, reply. So here it says that how is it born and how is it nourished? Please give a reply. It is engendered in the eyes. So here it further says that where is it born? It is born in the eyes with gazing fed and fancy dyes. So it is born in the eyes and it is fed with loving glances. Okay, it is means it develops with loving glances and the passing affection dies. That means as time passes, what happens to it? It dies. It diminishes. So with in the cradle where it lies. So it is what? It dies where? The cradle here means eyes. It dies in the eyes where it was born. Let us all sing Fancy's knell, I'll begin it, ding dong bell. Then all sing ding dong bell. So here it further says that let us all sing this, the funeral's bell. Okay, not sing. It is let us all ring the funeral bell. I'll begin it, ding dong bell. Ding dong bell. So here you will find that this song, isn't it? This song, it hints to Bassanio not to go by outer appearance alone, which would help him, choose the right casket. So what does Bassanio do? Bassanio, he continues with the same thought as he begins the test, not to go with the outer appearance. Okay, here also it is given. This is very, very important for you to learn. So for today we will do till here. In the next class we will continue further. So right from the beginning of Act 3 Scene 2, I would like you all to just go through, okay, till the portion that I have completed today. Thank you.